I'm going to show you the greenhouse I got off Amazon recently. This was, I believe, $69. And For $69, I thought if this blows away in a windstorm, I'm not out that much. I'm probably going to be out more in the plants that I would have inside of it than I would the actual greenhouse. So I'm going to show you inside and what I've got going on here. I've had it up now for about 3 weeks, and has a zipper door, and you can tie it back. I don't do that, I keep it shut. But here's what we got going on in here. I do have it weighted down because wind does get pretty strong in the spring with storms. We're actually expecting some tomorrow, and I'm hoping it makes it. Got a 50-pound weight there and a bunch of landscaping rocks on the bottom. I guess I have about probably 200 to 300 pounds of rocks there, weighting it down. I've got plenty of room on this side for my planting and work, and then I've got all my stuff growing on the other sides. This model, I believe, was a Pearly brand, and I believe they're all Chinese and the same. No matter what brand name you get, this one is 6.5 tall, which is just enough for me to walk into, and 5 foot long and wide. So this is the model with 14 shelves. Most have 12, and they have shelves on the side. This one had shelves in the back, which is why I picked it. It also has shelves on the bottom, which I'm not using for plants, but as you can see, it is for the weight to keep it anchored. And it does come with anchoring stakes and rope, which I'm not using where I am because I'm using this on my patio on concrete. And the concrete actually helps with the heat during the evenings. And we did have temperatures down to 26 about 4 nights ago, and everything survived. I didn't put any extra heat source in here. I kept it as is. I actually moved some plants, a lemon tree and some tropicals in here, and luckily everything made it through. So yeah, so I've got stuff I just recently seeded down here. Of course, not sprouting yet. These are my greens. There's kale, arugula, lettuces, and these have been out for about a week. But I'll probably keep them in here and not transplant this stuff. I'll just harvest from these little planters. This stuff will be transplanted and into my above ground boxes. Cucumbers. I've got catnip, which I was excited to get growing because you know you got to get some of the goods for the kitties inside. Peppers are just now starting to sprout because temperatures are just getting where they should be for those seeds to poke through. Tomatoes, marigolds, this is broccoli, and lots of basil. Lots of different tomatoes. A lot of it I probably will not be transplanting, but I'll probably be giving it away to some friends and family and let them take that. I have eggplant. I'm going to try my hand at eggplant this year. We like eggplant a lot, and that would be a lot cheaper, of course, than buying it at the grocery. More basil, and lots of tomatoes and cucumbers over here. As the summer goes on, I hope to have this filled with some plants growing in here as a side from the garden, just to see how they do in the heat. And I do have a reflective barrier up here keeping the north breeze away. That does get kind of cool. Like I said, it was 25, 26 degrees a few nights ago, but it also reflects some sun down onto the plants from the angle of the sun coming into the greenhouse during the day. It does have windows. I'll go around the outside so you can see I don't have those open, but if you wanted to ventilate, you could. And here are these Velcro windows that open up and tie back. And then it does have, like I said, the tie downs if I wanted to anchor it, but I don't have that. I may pay for that, but hopefully not. Hopefully it'll withstand the winds. We've already gotten some, so I hope we get more. Like I said, plenty of room in here for me. Very happy with this purchase. And at $69 or so, it's I think it's worth it. It's, you know, not the most sturdiest material, aluminum tubing with plastic anchors for the frame, and the plastic housing just ties on. But it's not a bad purchase. I actually had a friend who picked one up as well after he saw mine. So there it is. That's the greenhouse. Thanks for watching.